We are at Mount Rushmore.
It's very cold and very windy.
But it's absolutely beautiful.
And very impressive.
Yeah, just gigantic.
If you've never been here before, there is an amphitheater, which I'm standing at now. There is a huge, I don't know, gift shop and theater and right behind us where we were standing earlier. And above us is a big, lookout. Here, I'll show you. So up there is a big, lookout that you can oversee everything. It's really cool. Haven't been here before, so this is kind of impressive to me. Wendy's been here apparently a million times. Wendy has talked me into doing the Presidential Trail,
Yeah.
which only has 250 steps.
Well, it's 250 stressful steps.
Stressful steps. Okay, so it's 8 o'clock at night, and Wendy has talked me into walking all the way up here.
Yep.
Because there's nobody here.
Nobody's here.
And she was absolutely correct. This is the time to go.
Yeah, really enjoy it. You can take your time.
Yep.
Really see the magnitude of it. We're way down below it. So not a lot of people, I don't think, know about this Presidential Trail.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, it's tough to get up there. A lot of stairs, but it's really worth it.
Yeah, it's really cool.
And there's a beautiful rainbow.
Right below there, Roosevelt's chin. On this side of his chin.
Oh yeah, there he is. After visiting the monuments, we decided to go see Custer State Park. I will tell you, this was a great surprise for us. We were able to take a couple back roads and kind of got off the beaten path, and we saw a lot of antelope, we saw a lot of bighorn sheep, we saw a lot of great things that we normally wouldn't see. This was a great surprise, and we're really glad we did it. I did a little adventure today, so we're in Spearfish Canyon, and we are checking out the waterfalls. This is our first waterfall on our first hike. What do you think?
I think it's great.
I do
it's
too.
So beautiful.
Well, we were a little concerned about the walk to this waterfall, but it was well worth it.